Are you working in tech and looking for ways to monetize your skills? Having a 9-to-5 job is great, but in the age of AI, it's never been easier to set up a second stream of income. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to build, in my opinion, one of the best side hustles, and that is an online career mentoring business. All you need is a landing page, a booking link, and a way to convert potential mentees into paid customers. Back when I used to work at AWS, I set up a Calendly link where I would answer questions from students on how to land a job in the cloud. And in just 1 year, I made over $20,000. I would take these meetings on the weekends and occasionally on days after work. I mean, it wasn't a full-time salary, but as a side income alongside my job, I was pretty happy with it. But back then, I didn't have a proper website. Everything was done through DMs and YouTube description links. If I had a proper website, it would have helped me bring in a lot more new mentees. And so in this video, I want to show you how to build an end-to-end career mentoring business the right way. First, we're going to set up the website using AI with a tool called Ready. Next, we'll set up a Calendly link to accept and schedule new meetings. After that, I'll show you how to add AI integrations to your website to increase conversions. And finally, we'll publish the site together and talk about some ways to get your first 100 customers. Alright, so here's the interface of Ready. As you can see at the bottom, just like a regular website builder, they give you a few templates, which you can get some inspiration from. But what we're actually going to do is go up the top here and enter a detailed prompt of what we want our online coaching business to look like. So what I'll type here is, I want a website to run an online career coaching business where I help learners get hired in cloud and AWS. And you can see there's actually almost like an autofill section where you can press tab and it continues on your prompt. So here it says that the homepage should feature a clear value proposition, service overview, and call to action for booking sessions. I'm quite happy with that, but what I'm also going to add on is the website theme should be dark and purple to match my style. Also add in a testimonials section. By the way, my name is Lucy. I have a YouTube channel called Tech with Lucy. I was a former AWS Solutions Architect. So just a bit of information about me so that the AI can customize the website. I'm going to click on send. And here's a bit of a preview of the structure. So home, value prop, services, testimonials, booking, and about Lucy. Cool, this all looks good. I'm going to click on next and I can generate an AI logo. This all looks pretty good to me, but I'll just click on regenerate to see if it comes up with something different, potentially better. Nice, so here's another variation. I like the first one, so I'm going to click on this one and then click on next. So all I have to do now is wait a couple of minutes for Ready to generate the website. And here there's a few tips that you can take a look at if you're new to Ready. So view form data, connect to Superbase database, and one-click SEO optimization. Those are some of its advanced features. Cool, so now the website has finished generating and I'm already starting to really like the look of it. You can see it's a nice purple theme and it's got everything I need. So it has the one-on-one career mentoring session options, so career coaching, resume review, and interview prep. And it also has that testimonial section we were looking for. At the bottom, there's also a call to action to book in your first session. And yeah, here's a bit of a about section, which is completely made up by AI. Pretty much, this is what Ready is capable of. It can create you an end-to-end website completely using AI. And in order to customize it, you have two options. You can either do it yourself manually using this selector feature. So for example, if I want to change this button, I can change it to, let's say, start journey today. So that's one option. Another option is to directly prompt it through AI. So I can say something like, change the start journey today text to book your session now. You can also use your microphone to say it verbally. Great, so this text has again been switched to book your session now. I mean, you can pretty much edit anything. For example, if you don't like this icon, you can just ask Ready to change the hero icon / graphic to a cloud learning cartoon character. Let's see what happens. Nice. How cute is that? I really like this actually. So I'll leave it up to you to customize the website however you'd like. But now I'd like to walk you through some important features that Ready has. So that way you can make the most use of the platform and actually have some calls set up. So one of my favorite parts to Ready is the integrations they have. You can integrate directly with your Stripe account, Calendly account, and things like Google Analytics. Calendly is one of my favorite platforms for actually getting the interviews scheduled. So if I click on Calendly, I can directly copy in my Calendly meeting link. So if I go onto this tab, you can see I have two options for career consultations, 30 minutes and 1 hour. So let me just copy in my 30-minute career consultation directly into Ready and click connect. And in a few moments, you'll have your Calendly linked. Here's my career booking form. So I can click on 21st and then book in a session. Now, something else you can add on is a 24/7 virtual assistant to help you answer any questions that students have before booking in a session. And this can really help increase conversions. What I'll do here is type in add a 24/7 career assistant / chatbot students can ask questions to in order to increase conversions. Click on send and let's wait to see what happens. Great, so now at the bottom there's a talk with us feature. I can type in, hi, how can I learn AWS with Lucy? Let me zoom in a bit to take a look at its response. So, hi, Tech with Lucy offers personalized career coaching. You can learn through one-on-one career sessions, which include interview prep and career guidance. Would you like help with scheduling a coaching session or want more details on a specific service? So what you can actually do is customize this assistant so that it's able to help you answer any questions that students may have. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we go ahead and actually publish the website, there's a couple of changes I'd like to make. First of all, I'd like to add in a contact form. So this way we're able to add them into our community even if they're not ready to become a paying customer right now. I'll type in add a quick contact form to collect student emails if they have any questions. And here it is, a quick contact form for students to drop in their details and ask a question. So for example, can I get a discount for the mentoring? What's great about Ready is that you actually have a dedicated form section. So up the top here, if I click on form, I can actually see the responses from the students. I don't have to add in any third-party integrations or any additional backend. These emails, by the way, you can very easily export. Going back to our website, another feature I'd like to add is the ability to toggle from light and dark mode, as well as an FAQ section. So what I can actually do is enter both requests in one single prompt. So give me a dark light mode toggle up the top, as well as an FAQ section at the bottom. I found that Ready is pretty good at accepting multi-step instructions. Nice. Up the top here, you can very easily toggle to light mode, and at the bottom, you have a nice little FAQ section, which you can easily customize. So now we're ready to publish our website. Let's do a quick double check. Everything is looking good. I mean, for your own website, you should definitely customize the pricing, the About You section, and make sure everything is factually correct. I'm also going to replace this image with a photo of myself. And here it is. If you click on mobile over here, you can also check out the mobile view. So yeah, I'm going to click on publish now, and you can immediately see a free URL you can publish to. And this URL is something you can share to your students. And if you go with one of Ready's paid plans, you can actually publish to a custom domain. So let's say if you don't have a domain, you can enter one that you'd like, and it's going to walk you through steps of how to set it up. But for now, let's copy this URL and check it out. Amazing, everything looks really good. I mean, if I had a website like this earlier on when I was doing consultation sessions, it would have definitely helped increase conversions. This AI virtual assistant functionality is definitely a big game changer. You can use either voice or text to communicate. So if you want to get started with building your own career mentoring business or any sort of service business, definitely check out Ready. I have the link to it in the description below. Alright, now that our website is up and running, I want to walk you through some strategies to land your first 100 mentees. Because at the end of the day, no matter how great your website is, is, it's the customers that turn it into a real business. My biggest advice is to start with the audience you already have. If you have a LinkedIn profile or a blog with some followers, let that be your first target audience. Make a simple post announcing that you're starting to offer mentoring sessions and see if there's any interest there. Now, if you don't have an existing audience or following, my next strategy is to start by offering a few free consultations. When you do those free consultations, treat them like real sessions. Show up prepared, ask good questions, and actually offer real value. At the end, if they found it helpful, you can ask if they'd be open to leaving a short testimonial. And these testimonials can go straight onto your website, which is great for building credibility. And thirdly, make sure to clearly define your target audience over time. Is it going to be students interested in cloud, or is it going to be cybersecurity professionals looking to get promoted? Also clarify the specific services you offer, whether that be resume reviews, interview sessions, or just general career advice. Don't try to help everyone with everything. Really focusing in on a niche can help your target audience find you. Alright, this brings us to the end of this video. Let me know in the comments below if you're thinking of starting your own online career mentoring business. Okay, bye for now.